how can change our PC name? That is very easy way. First of all, you need to go your desktop where you can see your desktop. Then you can click on right button. Then you can click on Personalize. Then here you can see left side system icon. So now click on here. Here you see display. Now a lot of notification panel is here. Sound, notification, focus, power and battery, storage, nearby sharing, multitasking for developers, a lot of things. However, we are clicking on about here. Now you see here the device specification and Windows specification. Now click on rename this PC. When click on here you can change your PC name. So now I declare here my name. Okay, now click on next. Here you see rename your PC. After you restart, your PC name will change to what I rename here. Okay, now I click on restart now. Okay, after restart we are back. Let's see, check our PC rename. Now click on Personalize and System, then About. Here you are see our PC rename was successfully changed. Thank you.